Hi, I'm Ben Beatty, Chief Health Officer at BGSU with our weekly COVID-19 update. We're currently seeing another increase in cases compared to our last reporting period, and we want to continue to watch this, especially over these next couple weeks as we approach Thanksgiving. We all have some control to be able to turn this tide. We did it before and we can do it again. So we're seeing these increases across Wood County and across the state and the nation. We all have the ability to keep 6 feet of distance, wear our face coverings, and keep interactions where we have to be within that 6 feet to under 15 minutes, very brief interactions at that point in time. At the same time, we have testing available over these next couple weeks for individuals that want to be screened before going home. This is open for faculty, staff, and students, and we'll be continuing to present dates for you to sign up for an appointment if you just want to check before you go home to visit with your loved ones. Even at Thanksgiving though, we want to keep those interactions small, so keep your Thanksgiving day to those most immediate to you, and we'll have success as we then look at Christmas and the next coming months. So we appreciate all that you're doing, and if you keep it up, we'll continue to see positive downward trends as we look towards these next couple weeks.